Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we talked about the category section, so how to view the record and create the record. Okay, so the update and delete we will discuss about later on, right? So now I am going to moving to my moving to the brand section. Okay, so here if you want to right brand section, right, right. So now what you're going to do is brand. So I'm going to create the brands. So here is a models routes. So yeah, I'm going to first I'm going to go to the server. So the server I'm going to the same thing. This go to the server. This is a path of the route. So the first here I'm going to declaring here the var variable language the brand routes required. This also brand routes. Right. Now here inside the routes folder I'm going to create a brand .js. It's a brand route. Okay, so here this same these two routes I'm going to paste it over here brand. Okay, so here this one should be the our brand control. Here the category control me. Here we have to create this one as a brand controller brand, right? So brand here brand. Here brand control. You have to create the brand control over here. Now here if the require is coming brand get all it goes to the brand controller get controller function. It's going to create brand controller create action method. Right. That's it. Now I'm going to create a controller inside this folder. Which folder? Brand folder, brand controller. So here for the SRC, I'm going to create a new folder as brand folder. It's a brand folder. So this is a category folder. Brand. So you write this category folder. Inside the category we have a category. So brand. It's inside the SRC folder. We have a brand. So the brand folder we have to create a file which is a brand controller. So you have to write brand controller .js. Right. Okay, so the brand controller .js, the brand controller. Okay, this is first one is a category. This is, it is residing category. So it's a brand. So now what you're going to do is here brand. Right. So here more inside the SRCs folder we have a brand folder. Inside the brand folder we have brand file. This is a category. We have a two for different folder have created inside the SRC brand folder and category folder. Brand folder category controller. I'm going to just copy all the things, paste on over here. Here what you're going to do is this all thing as keep is it as it is. Okay, the model also we have to create inside models. Here also the brand model. Only the names you have to change. Other things are same. Brand model is a brand. This brand we have to call it over here. It's a brand model, right? So after that, this one also brand. Where all things are make it as a brand. It's a brand, right? It's a brand created, right? That's the thing. That's how we have do the code. So after that, what you're going to do is here, you go look into the model section. We have to create the model, which is a brand model .js, right? Brand model .js you have created, right? Now the category model, all things you have just copied and paste it over here. Here only you make the changes is a brand brand schema. This you have to call it over here. This one should be the plural. You write brands. Okay, here also this is a brand. You have to export outside as a brand. Right, that's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, these are all the things we have done successfully. Right, so we saw all the things you have to make it as a brand controller. It's called the brand controller create page. So brand controller create page. You have to make it this one as a go to when the record is a brand find brand. So here we have to brand model, but make it as a brand name. It's a brand name. Okay, the brand name. Brand control. You have to go to the brand controller. So the brand model, we have to call them brand model here also. So brand, right? So the same thing. All the category we have to change it as a brand. Okay. So when the request is coming via the front end, it's calling to the this one, right? We have to implement the attributes, but call it this one as a brand routes. Okay, it's called so when the out is it calls the folder the routes for the brand routes. So here we have the brand routes. It's calls the brand routes. It's calling to the slash create post method. You are calling the create function. So if the request is coming, create function is goes to here, right? What's the records you are getting? It will be first you have to validate the inputs and save the data, right? Now let's run and check it whether it's working fine or not. Now let's file save all. You have to run it on the application as node server.js. It's working. Now I'm going to test that. The same thing, I'm just copy it. Take another thing, the post mapping. Here also brand. Here also you have to write a row, open and close bracket, brand name, colon, LG, comma, status, true, true. Now let's click save. Here brand created successfully. Now same thing, just copy this. You have to take another one. Here you have to write get method. You have to get all. Click on send button. Here the newly created brand has been shown here. Back to here, I'm going to create another brand as a Samsung. Status true. Click on this. The brand has been created. We'll go to the get all method here. If you have to get here, it will be you will be able to view the data, right? You have created the data, you have to view the data, right? Very simple, right? So implemented the things, okay? Very simple, okay? So here we already did it two things. One is how to make the in our first point of sale system we done the category section and brand section. So how to create the products and how to view the products, right? We have done the sections, right? We have to implement the simple section. This is the things we have to do it, right? The edit and delete section we have already have a character application. You have to put it here, edit the products and delete the products. This is the things we have to do it. Okay, so now in my next video tutorial I'm going to implement the product section. So I'm going to do the products, so how to insert the products, right? How to view the products and sales section, all things we have covered. Okay, thank you for watching.